So it should be. We made a left already, so it should be.
Why is it we made left?
We made left already, so it got to be somewhere on this side.
Yeah.
We just gotta look
We
around.
made right again?
No, we made left. It's gonna be somewhere on the left side.
It?
We looking for your car,
And
the Chevy Impala. So let's walk this way first. Yes, we gonna walk this way first, cause it's that place this big. It's crazy. This whole place is huge.
What? That's so far.
Man.
Put me up.
Yo, who would have knew that man place?
Damn.
See, you won't be in my video.
At the end of the day, guess
That's
what?
my
They
mom.
pay that money.
Damn.
What?
Yo,
Jesus.
yo, it's crazy. This place we would have never.
This is like a farm, man. I like the area.
Damn.
I like going to the
whole
creek.
time people going to the other junk. The whole time we going to the other junkyard with them.
Hey,
Guys,
remember one time we was going to John, I was going to Trenton. I remember going on 13. I can't remember that place.
I think they closed. Oh,
no,
that
they
place. They closed, man. I know what you're talking about.
Closed because
Got a Dodge.
what?
Dodge.
What? Yeah.
No, these are all Dodges. All right, so I see.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Gosh.
Yeah, I'm saying a truck.
That's a Chevy there. That one is less than on the
Man, that place real big, dog.
Damn. That man got a farm. How you manage to?
This is a huge.
Well, we can see the thing.
I mean, it's a junkyard. You gotta look first. That's the thing, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta. The man already said, straight, go straight, make a left.
What that creek? I said, put me in a video.
You in my video already? I already told people you my mom.
There.
I mean, you in my video, man. We gotta look for your car, man.
Jesus.
Damn. All right, hold on. Let me look. Hold on. Let me. Yeah, hold on. I gotta look.
I told you that was water, sir.
Is a water over? Is water over there?
Oh my God! That makes I made a plan of fun when we come here.
Dang.
It sounds like a river of water.
This place is huge.
Oh my.
Hold on, ma. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta look. So, damn, I'm looking for a Chevy Impala. Damn, this place is huge. It's crazy. Y'all gotta see how, like when you enter. Nah, I didn't see anything yet. When you enter, you gotta see how it looked. Like you would have never thought it's this big. What? This a Volkswagen, man. So I thought he just had.
That is river of water right there.
Yeah, you can see it back there.
This place is super cool. They make it better than Purple Kind.
That's crazy. I don't see no Chevy Impala or Ford Taurus. I gotta look. That's what I'm saying. I gotta look around. Yeah, we about to. That's the same thing I was thinking too. It's crazy. He was telling. Nah, that's the same thing I was thinking. He was telling us like it's a small spot, but it's like a million cars over here, yo. Thought this place was this big.
Ooh.
All right, so Do you remember? I mean, those, yeah, but those are fused. Once the car reads something that's mental, some of them be ruined already.
I remember what.
Do you remember what parts he was talking about? He said that cover what? Like, is this something? It's probably something you can order online, man.
I
For cheap.
If I hear the joint, I can't say. They don't feel on it. So they feel it together.
Yep. He still got all the parts on here, yeah. And he right back here. Yeah. Yeah.
This only with a stereo can take.
Nah, we like this. Yeah, this is perfect. And the radio too. I can replace the radio.
So they can do see all come for it.
Yeah, I know how to take the radio out. I know how to take the radio. That radio we can use. This we can use too. Let me see anything else in here. I mean, this stuff ain't easy to pop out, so let me go see. Hold on. Dang. No, it's easy to pop out. You gotta pop this part out. This part pop out first.
You gotta take it with you, eh?
And then the screws on it. Alright, y'all, this is what I end up finding at the junkyard today. So let's hope it works. I'm pretty sure it does. And then, as you guys can see, this is what I've been needing. So I got that. Don't pay no mind to that. That's some soup. So as you guys can see, this one I have. The reason why I got this still worked fine, but the only issue with it is that this is all cracked up, and you can see on this one is still, everything is still intact. So what I'm gonna be doing pretty much, pop this out, replace both. Then I'm gonna take the old one out. Then for the same thing on that side, I gotta put that on there. So these are the stuff I found at the junkyard. So this I got for 35, that I got for 45, I believe he said. 45 or 40, I think it was 45. So I'm about to change those out, but you guys gonna see. just like that. As you guys can see, I got the new one in, but I got an issue. I'm gonna talk about that later. So then I got the passenger side mirror. I got that replaced. Got that nice and snuck on. This is the old one. They two different colors, but oh well. All right, y'all. So I just got done replacing the radio, and then I replaced the passenger side mirror. So I got an issue. The only issue I had with the radio is the fact that every car got it was the same year, make, and model, but I guess I didn't know, but these radios is like programmed to like a certain car. So when I put it in there, it was saying that it actually was locked. So now I got to be able to take it, I got to take it to like I guess like the dealership or something like that, Dodge or something like that, or Chevy, and they should be able to reprogram whatever they got to do with it, and then it should be able to work fine. But I tried two different things though, but I did replace it. But so this is what I did pretty much. So like I said, I put in the new one I got from the used one I got, and it was saying when I turn on the car, it says that it's locked on there because when you switch out a radio in the car, this and that, even though it's the same car, they program to whatever car that was and stuff like that. So I put it on. It comes on fine, but it's just the fact that it wouldn't fully turn on because it says lock on there. So this is what I end up doing. So I took the radio out, and all I did was, like the one that was in here before was fine. It worked. The only difference was this right here was cracked. So pretty much what I did was I just switch out the back side of it, like this cover. Pretty much I switched the cover out, and it's the same old radio that was in there before. So it still works fine, but the only thing is it comes on, it just doesn't show because the back screen behind it cracks. So it's just gonna be there temporary, and then once I take the one I have now that I got from the junkyard, once I take that over to Chevy dealership, they're gonna try to reprogram. When they reprogram that, then that's when I'm gonna take this out and then put in the used one I got. So it should be able to show and work fine by then. But this is the same old one. The only thing I did, like I said, was I took the cover off the one I got from the junkyard. So pretty much that's what I did. And then the passenger side mirror. So I replaced those. Both sides is the same color, but the only thing is this one is just a little bit lighter, which is not a big deal. But yeah, guys, you guys won't believe this. I started doing this at 12:40, 12:30. So now it's about, I think, 2:45, 3 o'clock. So it took me a while to do because, like, the main thing that took me, took a lot of time was the fact that switching out the radio and stuff like that. And for some reason, it had like a million screws on there. So I got that replaced, and I mean, it looks a lot better. I ain't got to worry about the tape I was putting on the side for the mirror and stuff like that to hold it up. It was a temporary fix, but I'm glad I ain't got to do that no more, but it looks good. And it was a simple, easy fix. And this is a daily driver for me. It's not anything perfect, this and that. It runs and drives fine. So I'm just glad I was able to do a little bit touch to it, and it made a difference. So, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much, that's going to be it.